Welcome to the Ultimate CPA Marketing Guide, where we'll transform you from a complete beginner to a seasoned CPA marketing expert. Brace yourself to uncover the secrets to unlocking consistent profits and achieving financial freedom through this powerful affiliate marketing strategy. Understanding CPA marketing. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's establish a clear understanding of CPA marketing. CPA, which stands for Cost Per Action, is an affiliate marketing model where you earn a commission when a user takes a specific action on an advertiser's website. These actions can range from signing up for a free trial to making a purchase. The beauty of CPA marketing lies in its performance-based nature. You only get paid when someone completes the desired action, eliminating the risk of paying for clicks or impressions that don't convert. This makes it a highly lucrative and scalable option for online entrepreneurs. Unveiling the secrets to CPA marketing success. Now, let's unravel the secrets to unlocking success in the world of CPA marketing. Number 1, niche selection. The first step to CPA marketing success is to identify a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. A niche represents a specific area of focus, such as health and fitness, finance, or technology. By targeting a niche audience, you can tailor your content and strategies to resonate with their specific needs and preferences. Number 2, CPA network, your gateway to offers. CPA networks serve as the bridge between you and the advertisers who offer CPA campaigns. These networks provide a vast selection of offers across various niches, allowing you to choose offers that align with your niche and target audience. Number 3, offer evaluation, choosing the right fit. When selecting offers, it's crucial to evaluate their conversion potential, payout rates, and advertiser credibility. Prioritize offers that have a proven track record of converting, offer competitive payouts, and are from reputable advertisers. Number 4, content creation, the heart of your success. Compelling content is the lifeblood of CPA marketing. Create informative and engaging content that highlights the benefits of the offers you're promoting. Use clear and concise language, incorporate visuals, and ensure your content resonates with your target audience. Number 5, traffic generation, driving visitors to your offers. Once you have your content ready, it's time to drive traffic to your offers. There are numerous traffic generation strategies, including content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Choose the methods that best suit your niche and target audience. Number 6, tracking and optimization, the path to continuous improvement. Regularly track your performance using analytics tools provided by your CPA network. Identify which offers and marketing channels are performing well and those that need improvement. Continuously optimize your campaigns based on data-driven insights. Number 7, patience and persistence, the keys to long-term success. CPA marketing, like any business venture, requires patience and persistence. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep refining your strategies, learning from your mistakes, and adapting to the ever-evolving online landscape. Conclusion. CPA marketing offers a promising path to financial freedom, but it requires dedication, strategic planning, and continuous learning. By following the secrets we've unveiled, you can embark on a journey from a beginner to an expert CPA marketer, unlocking a world of opportunities and achieving your financial goals. Remember, success in CPA marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the journey, stay focused, and you'll reap the rewards of your efforts. If you're interested in learning more about CPA marketing, I encourage you to check out my channel. I have a ton of resources available to help you get started. Thanks for watching.